Guys, what's going on? It's Mark. It's cold as ball sack out here today. Look, cold as hell. Anyways, just giving you guys a little preview real quick of what's coming up in about 4 days, maybe 5 days or so. This is my 2015 Toyota Tacoma TRD Sport. Kick-ass little truck. Anywho, we threw a set of brand new wheels and tires on. It's got the American Racing AR 172 wheels on it. Pretty kick-ass looking wheel. It's got a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 hole wheel. Sort of like the old Mickey Thompsons with a new twist to them. So pretty cool, pretty kick-ass. It's running on a set of radar. These are 265 75 16 mud terrain tires. They're pretty cool, pretty kick-ass. And these are 6 on a 5.5 lug pattern right here. So what we're doing is we're throwing a rough country lift kit on here. In the next week or so, I'll show you guys another video after it's all done, said and done. The reason why right now, obviously, because we put the wheels and tires on right now, but it's rubbing like a mother effer right here. So we got a 3-inch rough country suspension lift going on it, so it can clear perfectly fine. And it's gonna take what the rough country kit is a little spacer kit that bolts up. I don't know if you can see it right up here. 3-inch spacer kit right there on top of the strut tower. And then in the back, it's got a block with some U-bolts that go over the back right here, right in that spacer right there. So, just giving you guys a preview. You'll see this coming up in the next 4 days or so. I'll post a really good video when it's nice and bright outside, and it actually can turn full left and full right, unlike 10% turn, which is what we're currently doing right now. So, this is it. 2015 Toyota Tacoma TRD Sport. This is Mark signing out because I can't even feel my face right now. It's so freaking cold. Peace out. Subscribe, guys. Holler at you.